Hey, didn't see you there. Welcome back. We are in the shop, and today we are going to talk about welding, and we are actually going to weld. First thing first, we got to wear our proper PPE. PPE is your personal protection equipment, and we are currently not wearing that. We are wearing golf stuff, and we're going to be right back. And we are back. We are changed up, and PPE is used a variety of places like nurses, firefighters, police officers. Every different industry has their different type of PPE. As a welder, we have our own specific PPE, and I'm going to list them off right here. You got safety glasses, which really protects your eyes from all flying objects, such as our main cause is flying sparks. Our beanie is very great for protecting your scalp, your hair, and all that from the flying sparks as well. Then you got your sleeve, which basically protects your arm from all the flying sparks and from the flash of the welder. The welder puts off a lot of UV flash, and it's very intense where you get a very nasty sunburn, and it's not very healthy for you. But that's why I use these things, and they are perfect for it. Granted, you can use full leathers, which I used to use a lot in the welding shop, but it got very hot fast, so these came in very handy. So these protect your arms, and then you got to protect your hands as well, which is gloves. First things first, you got TIG gloves. These are very great for TIG welding, but suck for MIG welding because they're very thin, and MIG puts out a lot of heat. Then you got the full glove, which covers your whole arm, and if you had a regular jacket on or long sleeves on, it'd be perfect. But it gets really hot, and honestly, not the best. Then you got these gloves. These are one of the best gloves for me when I was welding, but this one is very shot. It's been used a few times for welding. So we got gloves, fairly new, which is very nice for what we're doing today. Then usually we wear steel toes, but I don't know where my steel toes are at, and I don't really care enough because this ain't a full shop. So we are good. We have all our protection equipment, and we are about ready to weld. The one crucial thing with welding is you need to protect your eyes a second way. Second way is from the bright light that welding emits. That is with a welding helmet. This thing is very good for protecting your eyes from the UV light. So this is what I've been using my whole career for 3.5 years. So I'm gonna set everything up, and we are ready to weld. And we are back. We have all the material here, and we have our welder turned on. We got loose metal all over the place. Then you got the welpers. Welpers are very handy for your MIG gun. You keep it clean with this part, you clip it with this part for extra wire. Then you got your ground clamp. Your ground clamp is used for basically resending the electricity back to the welder, telling it that you have a connection, so it strikes an arc, and then you connect it to your metal like so. Next things next is our MIG gun. MIG gun is like this. Basically, you push the trigger, it sends out gas, it sends out electricity, and it sends out your wire. And we are back. We are sitting down. We have our MIG gun in hand. We have the welder on. All we have to do left is get everything else ready. So there's a lot of extra wire. There's two ways of doing it. I always clip it, and then you can also use the other side for cleaning the nozzle. Now everything is clean, everything is ready. Now we gotta tack our metal together. Tacking is just a quick burst of electricity, and it just puts a small little weld on top of your metals to combine them. Here I'll show you a little tack from the outside perspective. And here is how it tacks from the inside perspective. Basically, your tack is your very simplest weld you can ever do. And honestly, one thing that is very crucial, because if you don't tack your metals, they pull apart as you start welding and it makes a huge gap and they suck to fill. All right, here we go. And I'll take that one. That's pretty decent. That's hot, that's hot. That was not right. And this is interior perspective. And here's two more quick welds. One is going to be for welding crappily, which will be just a quick weld, just no true weaves. And the next one is going to be with the gas off. Okay, that was a lot better than I was attempting. Now the gas is gone, and here's a crap weld without gas. And just like that, it was very easy. We got it done. I'll have this metal piece for you guys in classroom. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in a bit.